Today is Tuesday, August 28th. The time is 8:20 p.m. This is Memman101. This is the 2012 Topps Finest Baseball, break number 4. Good luck, everybody. Royals, Eric Hosmer. Diamondbacks rookie, Trevor Bauer. Red Sox, jersey autograph, Ryan Laveraway, serial number 291 out of 299. Phillies, Ryan Howard. Giants, Tim Lincecum. Giants rookie, Eric Surkamp. Mariners rookie, Jesus Montero. Rockies, rookie refractor, Drew Pomeranz. Giants, Buster Posey. Phillies, Chase Utley. Marlins, Matt Dominguez, rookie. Yankees, Michael Pineda. Red Sox, refractor, Kevin Youkilis. Diamondbacks, Paul Goldschmidt. Blue Jays rookie, Drew Hutchinson. Diamondbacks, Justin Upton. Yankees, Mariano Rivera. Blue Jays, Brett Lowry, refractor. Rookie redemption, number 2. I believe number 2 was Marte, but I will verify that and put it in the notes. Zach Cozart, Reds. Cliff Lee, Phillies. Derek Jeter, Yankees. Mets, Kirk Nemesis, rookie, refractor, serial number 60 out of 199. Finest moments, Rangers, Yu Darvish. Reds rookie, Devin Mesoraco. And the last pack of the first mini box, David Freese, Cardinals. Carlos Gonzalez, Rockies. Game Changers, Buster Posey, Jordan Pacheco, Rockies rookie, and Matt Moore, Rays rookie. And the second mini box. Dodgers, Clayton Kershaw. Yankees, Alex Rodriguez. Braves, rookie refractor, Tyler Pastornicki. White Sox, Paul Konerko. Marlins, Giancarlo Stanton. Tigers, Justin Verlander. Red Sox, Kevin Youkilis. Faces of the franchise, Troy Tulowitzki, Rockies. Yankees, Robinson Cano. Rangers, Mike Napoli. Giants, Pablo Sandoval. Mariners rookie, Hisashi Akawama. Giants, Pablo Sandoval, refractor. Rays, David Price. Nationals, Ryan Zimmerman. A's rookie, Tom Malone. Twins rookie, Joe Benson. Angels, Jared Weaver, refractor. Yankees rookie, Dylan Vicentes. Rangers rookie, Leons Martin. Blue Jays, Jose Batista. Rangers, refractor, orange, Ian Kinsler, serial number 69 out of 99. Cardinals, Finest Moments, David Freese. Giants rookie, Brett Pill. Yankees, Curtis Granderson. And the last pack, Yankees, Mark Teixeira. Twins, Joe Mauer. Twins again, autograph, Brian Dozier, rookie, serial numbered 12 out of 50 for the Twins. Angels, Mark Trumbo. Red Sox, Adrian Gonzalez. Thank you everybody for bidding. Please check out my other eBay box breaks. Current listed for baseball box breaks, I have another 2012 Topps Finest Baseball. Listed for football box breaks for 2011, I have Panini Gold Standard. And for 2012 football box breaks, I have both Topps Inception and Topps Finest. Ending tonight, I have a basketball box break, 2011-12 Panini Limited.